Hi there, everybody. This is the review of the section 1, setting up your Mighty Networks for success. I am going to go over the review here real quick with you, as well as the worksheet that's below. So to this point, during section 1, we've discussed the network setup as far as if you want to have a membership, reoccurring, monthly payments, or if you want to have a one-time payment as far as a course or a mastermind cohort or something to that effect. We've looked at a Calm flow to help you decide that. And then there's been an option A or an option B that goes into further detail around getting clear on the pricing of your course or cohort. As a one-time payment was option A, and then option B is the membership community, ongoing payments, and how to get clear on your pricing for that. So to this point, you should at this point know your big purpose, why you're bringing people together, what they're going to do, the structure, how you're going to work with them, whether it's the course or ongoing network membership, and then the price of the course or membership. And there is a worksheet here to help you to go through all of those details. I just actually created this worksheet for the tech and strategy sessions that I do with clients. When I first start working with a client, the first thing I've really learned is most helpful is to set up a 2-hour tech and strategy session. And this worksheet goes through the agenda for that session. And so we work first, and I'm trying to use the Calm method here. So that is what we're doing. Clarity on the setup of the network and answering any tech questions. That's something we're going to discuss during our strategy session for this client. Awareness on the best way to invite members into the space, learning how you can get members to connect and interact when you're inviting them in, and scheduling tasks to be completed before the network, so like pre-launch, and then when you're launching, and then when you're onboarding. So those are the things. In the session, we're going to determine how to structure the Mighty Network for success, identify the process for setting up the network, and scheduling dates, as well as planning any additional partnership if they are interested in hiring me to continue helping support them. So this worksheet, it goes over membership, a section for you to put your network name, what's the name of your Mighty Network, your big purpose, and then on the second page is clarity of the setup. And so there's some questions that you can fill in. What needs to be done before members enter your community? That could include writing articles, any course material, creating events, or other resources. What's the cost? And that's just clarifying, like, this is establishing what we reviewed in earlier sections. What's the cost and what's the structure? Then what is the date? When set a launch date, and then figuring out when those things will need to occur. Awareness about the best way to invite members, and that's going to be in the next section, but we'll review this in more detail in section 2. Awareness on the best way to invite your members into the space, who you're inviting, how you will be inviting them, and then the other section, learning to encourage members once they're inside. So once they get inside, how are you going to onboard them and interact with those members? And then what are they accomplishing with you as the host, and what are they accomplishing together as community members? And then here is a scheduler for you to pull out each one of those sections, tasks that go along with the actions that you'll need to take in order to move forward. So any steps that you need to get with clarity, awareness, learning, or motion. And then there's a tiny little checklist that you can add to and add your own things. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Let me know.